Do you also get confused how to construct a basic sentence in English which is grammatically correct? Then this video is for you. Hey study buddies, welcome to Enguarima channel. This is Garima and this is our grammar's first lesson. In this lesson we will talk about sentence and parts of speech. So let's start. First of all, let's see what is a sentence. So sentence is a group of words that make any sense or conveys any meaning. Let's see an example. A student she is. Do you think it is making any sense? Conveying any meaning? No, it is confusing you that whether the sentence is talking about a person or a student and who is who. Let's see another example. She is a student. Now it is giving you a sense, right, that this person is a student. So you will say that this group of words is a sentence. Now if you have carefully noticed, this sentence is following some kind of structure. Yes friends, you have guessed right. It is following a structure which is subject plus helping verb plus object. Now helping verb plus object comes into the category of predicate. Let's see what are these. So subject. So subject is a part of sentence about which it will talk, or by whom work is done or supposed to be done. Then comes the predicate. So predicate will tell us about what is being done by the subject, or it will give us a piece of information, like in the previous sentence, she is a student. It is a piece of information about that person. Predicate generally has two parts, which are verb and object. Verb is a word or a couple of words that tell us about the work done, what is being done by the subject. Then comes the object. Object is a person, place, animal or a thing that gets affected by the work done of the subject. This effect can be indirect or direct. We'll see that later. Let's see some examples to understand this concept better. My dog is playing in the park. So here my dog is the subject. Why? Because it is doing some kind of work. Is helping verb. What is a helping verb? Helping verb does the work of connecting two parts of the sentence. So here in this example it is connecting my dog with playing. So is helping verb. Then playing is verb because it is telling about the work done. In is again helping verb. The park is object because it is obvious that my dog will affect the park. Then let's see another example. The baby sleeps. Now if you have noticed, this sentence is skipping helping verb and object. Yet again this sentence is making complete sense. So how is this possible? So we can skip helping verbs according to tense we are using. Why is this sentence skipping the object? Because here the object is bed. So that's obvious and we can skip that. Now let's talk about parts of speech. Parts of speech were first seen in Sanskrit language. In English, based on their use and functions, words are classified under 8 major parts of speech, which are nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, pronouns, conjunctions, prepositions, interjections, articles or determiners in a broader sense, and numerals. Parts of speech are also known as lexical chains, lexical categories or simply categories, or lexical classes or simply classes of word classes. Now, auxiliary or helping verbs and modals like would, should, could do not come under this category. In next video, we will talk about the noun. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe, like, share, comment, take care.